Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Andrea and today I'm going to do an unboxing video for you guys. It's been a while, I know, I've been slacking. It's been a while since I've done my last unboxing. So, if you've seen my post, obviously I've been to Beicester with my friends. I just want to say hi Jane, hi Belle, hi Randy. Thank you very much for today. I really had a great time. Are you ready? So, in 2 and 3 and 1. What? In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! This is what I've got. I've grabbed a few pieces from Furla. So Furla is an Italian brand and it says in here, Italy 1927. This has been actually on my wish list for quite a while now. So let's just crack on and start with the unboxing. This is how the paper bag looks like. It is so cute. I like the color and the design. So, ready? Ta-da! This is just the Satin Dust Bag with the Furla logo in it. And are you ready? Oh my god, this has been on my wish list for quite a while now, but I wasn't just very sure about it, but I know I need to have it. Ready? This is so cute. Oh my god, you guys. Ready? Ta-da! This is what I've got. This is called the Metropolis Iconic Bag from Furla. And I've got in the color narrow or black with the pink or flamingo flap. This is how it looks like. This is how the sides looks like. This is the back. And it's got 4 feet with gold hardware. This is literally the iconic Furla bag that I have been wanting for years and I can't believe I haven't got it yet. So let's just open. This is how you open the bag. Just click it like that and it will open. It's got this removable strap like so. I really love the feature about this one. And this is obviously a leather. I think this is actually a calf leather. This is how it looks like with card slots. Just one slip slot inside. And actually, this is a removable flap. If I show you guys, this is how you remove the flap. So, this flap is actually removable. So, if I take it off like so, and you can actually buy a different flap and just replace it. So, this is what I've done. I've actually bought another one. So, the second item that I've got in here is obviously the flap that I've got. It's in a box, which is really nice and cute. This is how it looks like. And I've got in the color Camilla. And I think I got this one for 32 pounds. And there you are. This is how it looks like. This is just an extra flap, but you have to pay for it as well. It's got this dust bag as well. So if you wanna just keep it and store it, so you can just place it inside like so. And then now I can replace this into this bag. You just have to clip it on like so. It's just a clip closure. And now it will be like 2 looks in one bag. How cool is that? Look at that. It's amazing. I love it. See? Now this is a different look. See? Lovely. And this is the original cover that I've got that I can just replace if I want to. So obviously if I want to change my outfit, like if I want to wear blue, I can buy a blue flap, obviously. Lovely. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness. Now I'm happy. I think I spent about, I can't remember, about 150 pounds in total. So it's not bad actually. So let me just replace the pink one And we are good to go. Matches perfectly with my outfit today. This is the final look. Just clip it on like so, and there you are. This is just a mini handbag. I am very happy today with my purchase. Amazing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. What's your favorite? I love them both, to be honest. And yeah, bye.